This had to be the late 90s, mid to late 90s, and I found a stylist in the area that I was living, and she did extensions, and so I got synthetic extensions from her. Was it the best hair I ever had? No, it wasn't great. It was the 90s. My loss was really around the crown of my head, so because of that, I had to still had to pull my hair back or pull my hair up. So it wasn't the greatest, but it was the best that I had at that time, and it really was financially challenging for us to be able to pull that off, but the alternative was really not good. Eventually, I just let them all come out and was back to my natural hair. Probably haven't worn my natural hair by itself in probably almost 30 years. Yeah. So, and I still would not wear my natural hair out. Yeah, easily over 35 years probably.